social media is really taking over and it needs to be used, but under a certain time limit. So again, adding to what you said was how people are using technology. There is technology, there is internet. Every village in India has internet, maybe not electricity, but has समवेयर इंटरनेट तो पहुंच रहा है और फ़ोन सबके पास है. तो वो तो ज़रूरत इसकी है कि वो इंटरनेट का इस्तेमाल यूज़ किया जाए जैसे पहले किया जाता था फॉर एजुकेशन, टू learn something. When you used to search, use a search engine to search something and learn something because you wanted to know more. Now we're just using to just entertain ourselves, and I feel like, yeah, that is scary. No.
Hi guys, welcome to, for the third time, another episode of The Balance Path. I'm Sid.
And I'm Veera.
Today we will tell you today we will tell you why we would never shift to Canada. पहला रीज़न है इंग्लिश साडी बहुत माड़ी. एज यू कैन सी मैं 3 बारी फंबल कर गया सिर्फ एक बेसिक लाइन बोलदा सो किसी ने मेरी गल ही नहीं समझ आई.
रोज इंग्लिश बोलनी बहुत की है ना
यार, पर कनाडा का फायदा है कि उत्थे इंग्लिश बोलनी नहीं पैंदी. ये भी है. Okay guys, before we you start hating on us, we have nothing against Canada, nothing against people migrating, immigrating there. It's just our take on why we would never shift there in this age. Like, we've spent most of our time in...
We are not some old people. So.
We are, maybe somebody who's 25 is watching this now. For that person, I'm 10 years old. I'm 35, right? You knew I was 35? In 5 years, I'm going to be 40, guys. And I pledge today that before turning 40 I will before turning 40 I will complete a full triathlon. It's
you
out
said
there
it
now. It's
you
out
said
there
it
now. And I don't even know how to swim, so yeah. But I have 5 years. But yeah, so let me ask you
let me tell you that I have no such plans. Neither do I want to take a pledge.
But you can swim.
I definitely said this that I want to do a Ironman, but I feel like I don't want to put my body through so much training, and like I don't want to do so much hard work. Like I don't.
Loe da sari nahi na zara.
Oh, it's fine. I'm okay with that. I can live with that.
Mudde te aao.
Acha mudde te.
Acha, why would, like, this is me asking you, why would you never shift abroad? Let's say abroad. Let's not.
I think I will go back to the times that I was abroad. I was studying in the UK. So I think one of my reasons was that I think all my family and friends were here. And I felt lonely. I think I was just lonely. And I think that was my number one reason to come back. Because like that especially when you're sick, like, I don't know, here, like when you're home, even if you're living like in Delhi, somebody will come, Delhi or Bombay, anywhere, like somebody will come and check on you, like your neighbor, or like somebody is always there, maybe make you tea, like they'll do something small. Like there, when I used to get sick, it used to be like, oh, I'm sick now, I have to feed myself, I have to take care of myself, I have to do everything myself. And that doesn't come from the fact that like I was being lazy. It was just that, it just, you just need sometimes like a point of comfort when you are feeling the most vulnerable, and that I felt was missing for me, at least. Like I felt lonely, so that was my reason to come back.
So I'll tell you my story. Jinna chaska vilayat jaan da minnu si na, I don't think kisi nu bhi ho sakda. Matlab, when I was in class 10th, मेरे दिमाग में क्लियर था कि ਆਪਾਂ ਜਾਣਾ ਬਾਹਰ, ठीक है, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਪਾਂ even in class 10th I didn't study enough because ਆਪਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ.
What is the logic?
See, ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੌਜਿਕ ਕੀ ਸੀ. ਠੀਕ ਠਾਕ ਜੇ ਨੰਬਰ ਆਏ 10ਵੀਂ 'ਚ, ਕਿਉਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾਣਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ. ਚਲੋ ਬਾਹਰ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਿਆ. We got to know that I had to do my 11th and 12th here. ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾਣਾ. 11th ਆਪਾਂ ਪੜ੍ਹੇ ਨਹੀਂ, ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਯਾਰ 11th ਤਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ, 12th ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਮੇਨ. 12ਵੀਂ 'ਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਪੜ੍ਹੇ ਨਹੀਂ, ਕਿਉਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾਣਾ, ਰਾਈਟ. ਸੋ 12ਵੀਂ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ. 12ਵੀਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ 6 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਗਏ. ਬਾਹਰ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਪਲਾਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੱਲੇ. ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਮੇਰਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ, ਬਸ ਖਿਆਲ 'ਚ ਹੀ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾਣਾ.
No, like you had spoken about it, that's what you tell me.
Spoken about it, yeah, there were things that I can't discuss right now, but like my friends were they were like getting into entrance tests, है ना. किसी ने अप्लाई कर दिया था, कोई कनाडा, कोई इंग्लैंड. ਆਪਾਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾਣਾ ਸੀ.
Sorry, in grade 12, when you start grade 12, or even ending grade 11, you're supposed to start your
Exactly,
college
ਨਹੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ
applications.
ਇੰਨਾ ਪਤਾ ਸੀ ਯਾਰ, ਸਾਡੇ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਵੀ ਥੋੜੇ ਇਸ ਮਾਮਲੇ ਦੇ ਸੀ, ਬਟ ਕਹਿਣ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ, ਸੋ 6 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਐਂਡ ਦੈਨ ਮਾਈ ਫਾਦਰ ਵਾਜ਼ ਲਾਈਕ ਯਾਰ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ, ਮਤਲਬ 6 months you are going to waste an year, even if you go abroad maybe you'll waste a whole year, do you want to do that? I was like no. So I said okay, take admission in a course for now and then जब बनेगा तो बनेगा. एडमिशन ले लीजिए हमने बीकॉम में, 3 साल निकल गए, 3 साल हम अच्छे से पढ़े नहीं, क्यों? बाहर जाना है ना, क्योंकि बाहर जाना सी बीकॉम जब तक ख़त्म हुई तब तक एहसास होया कि हले बाहर जाने का प्रोग्राम नहीं बनूगा, आई विल हैव टू प्रॉब्ली स्टडी हियर, पर फिर भी दिमाग सीगा कि बाहर जाना है, ठीक है. एंड देन अगेन माई फादर वाज लाइक ओके व्हाट डू यू वांट टू डू नाउ, यू डन योर बीकॉम, what do you want to do? I was like, I don't know, because usually people like children go through counselors and stuff like that कि क्या आपके इंटरेस्ट हैं, ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀਗਾ ਨਾ, ਆਪਾਂ ਘੁੰਮਦੇ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਰਹੇ.
Or you're like the 1% of the world that already knows.
Yeah,
what
which I
they
wasn't.
want.
Definitely, I was definitely in 99%. Even my friends were like, yes, they had clear visions, but like very close friends of mine, we were very like easygoing, aloof. So my father was like, okay, why don't you do your law? I was like, not bad. Why? Yeah, let's do law. And I started looking at universities. Chandigarh University, Delhi University. I was like, okay, I'll go to one of these universities. Found out entrance test निकल गए हैं, अब अगले साल जाना पड़ेगा. I was like, चलो. Then found out that Bombay, where my father also did his law करने के लिए, वहाँ पे अभी like there was no entrance test. Merit पे you could get in admission. अपने सुख ਨਾਲ ਨੰਬਰ ਇੰਨੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ, ਆਪਾਂ ਗਏ ਉੱਥੇ, the college I wanted to go in didn't happen, XYZ. Anyways, started doing my law there, spent 10 years there. Okay, so after that ਚਸਕਾ ਬਾਹਰ ਦਾ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਜਿੱਥੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀਗਾ, ਬਟ ਹੁਣ ਚਸਕਾ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਸੈਟਲ ਹੋਣ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ, ਚਸਕਾ ਸੀ ਵੈਸੇ ਹੀ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾਣ ਦਾ, ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਆਈ ਹੈਡ ਨੈਵਰ ਟਰੈਵਲਡ ਅਬਰੋਡ
Like to travel.
till I think 2014 I had not traveled abroad ever. Maybe I had gone to Dubai, but I don't consider that abroad. That's literally like, है ना?
It is international borders.
It is, but yeah, like abroad मेरे दिमाग से जिदा इंग्लैंड, अमेरिका भी नहीं, इन्नी लंबी सोच नहीं रखी सी भरावा. ओ नहीं इंग्लैंड कि इंग्लैंड टच डाउन है कर लिया ना, ਉਂਗਲ रख ली तो मतलब वलैत आ गए हैं, ठीक है. सो चस्का बहुत सीगा, हल्ले भी हैगा. अगेन चस्का शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम बाहर सेटल होना टू बाहर जाना. आई स्टिल वी वेंट अब्रॉड, हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम, but after like 2-3 weeks of staying there, it was like chalo hun ghar chaliye. And the major reason is because we've spent so much time here in India, we're so used to the systems here, है ना, सारा कुछ, मतलब friends are here. And when I say friends, I can't say friends and family are here, because my mother, she lives in Toronto, right? We went to visit her. Veera's brother lives in Manhattan, Brooklyn, sorry. Hopefully he'll shift to Manhattan when he starts making
The Upper East Side.
The Upper East Side. But yeah, what I'm trying to say is that I guess at a very specific age is when you should take the decision of going abroad. I think post the 12th or college, like your basic undergraduate is the perfect time to go, because you're young, you have more opportunity maybe there, stuff like that. But I think after say your 30s, 35s, and a lot of people still move there even when they have families and kids, and like again they have their reasons, and I'm sure they're good reasons, nothing against them. But I think je jana hi hai to tad jao. Te us to baad, like me personally, if you ask me, I could not kind of see myself settling abroad. Okay, I would maybe set up a business abroad, maybe go there and spend even 2 months, 3 months, come back, but never really settle there. And yeah, so ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਉਹ definitely ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾਣ, है ना. What you just said when you were discussing this, so Veera was like, do a back and forth, है ना. I mean, definitely go out, experience different cultures, different countries, different weathers, है ना, extreme weathers. But yeah, there's always scope ਸਾਰੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਹੁੰਦਾ. ਡੂ ਯੂ ਫੀਲ ਵੀਰਾ ਦੈਟ ਸਕੋਪ ਸਿਰਫ ਬਾਹਰ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇੰਡੀਆ 'ਚ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ?
Not at all.
Like give me a...
So the thing is that I beg to differ a little bit on the fact that you said ki go earlier.
Okay.
Then later, because I feel like there is no right or wrong age for anything.
Agreed.
Like I feel
Agreed.
like age
I
should
think
not
that's-
be a barrier to going anywhere or traveling anywhere. I feel like it's more on the opportunity. I feel like if you have the opportunity and you feel like again, opportunity cost of staying here is more than going there, then you go, then you stay here. But if the opportunity cost there is better, then like for instance, like for example your mom, like for her, like she had better like better opportunity there, so hence she
That's
obviously
actually true.
took
Yeah.
that call to go to Canada and like settle there. And of course, like she had her own going through like the studying and the whole like bar exams, etc., etc. But that in that time and space, I feel like the opportunity for her there versus in India was much better,
Much
and
better.
that's what I feel like that for me. And I similarly, I think for my brother, like I think I'll like say today, I feel like कि I'm sure किसी के मन में तो होता होगा, because that as to like why, like now so it's everything is so like settled here, and like why is he in Brooklyn and why is he not here, because यहाँ पे तो सब कुछ है. But I feel like what you're seeing, like what we see right now versus what his situation was probably when he left. He thought that like he has more scope for work outside and he has better opportunity outside. And also India like 10 years back was very different.
Very different.
It's been 10 years to him migrating there. So India 10 years back was very different versus the India that we see today. So obviously he felt and I think for the longest time he always had that question. He still says that he wants to not be stagnated in one space. He says that I want to be a multi national
That's actually
person.
a
Like
good
I
way
want
of
to be
looking at it.
everywhere,
Yeah,
because in like
yeah,
24 hours I can be in any
That's actually
city
true.
in the world.
Yeah.
So I feel like far are we away from geographically bounding ourselves. If you have the opportunity and if you have the luxury to travel, I think one should definitely do
That's
that
nicely
and
put, yeah.
get the best of both the worlds and experience, learn, because I think both flip, like it's like a coin with two sides, like a two-faced coin. Both sides have its own benefits and its own flaws. And
Yeah.
I think for us as human beings, I think what we can learn is take the best
Out of
out of both, if we have the privilege to travel. And yeah,
very insightful, yeah.
thanks.
Like, literally, like that was very insightful.
Thanks.
So I think like takeaway from this statement of yours that there's no real age. You can pretty much go anywhere, settle anywhere. I think you're absolutely right by saying कि borders हुन सिर्फ map ते रह गए. It's like not difficult to
Yeah.
travel. It's actually like, so we also do like online one-on-one training, and like we have clients all over the world. So technically we are sitting in India and working in the US, in Canada, in Australia, in Sweden. So multiple clients everywhere. So technically like we are kind of connected with the world, sitting here with the internet being
Correct,
on our
correct.
side. So I think yes, be everywhere in terms of like look at opportunity.
Correct.
And then
Correct.
nice.
But I also want to add to the fact that, like, for instance, I said that, of course, there are no boundaries. But I feel like the problem is not like where the opportunity is better. The problem is that everybody thinks, and everybody as in people who have not researched enough. And especially if, like, I see that a lot around. I'm not talking about maybe my friends, but I speak to a lot of people, and what I understand is कि बाहर दी एक इमेज बनी हुई है दैट इट्स वेरी लाइक इट्स there's a lot of comfort and it's really nice. उत्थे सफाई बहुत ज़्यादा है, उत्थे मतलब something like this happens and that happens, and it's very glamorous. Like for instance, like when I'll relate it to Bollywood because I think that makes the most amount of sense. Like for us, when we think about stars, we are like, wow, Bollywood, like Shah Rukh Khan, and like Shah Rukh Khan के घर में ऐसे होएगा और दिलजीत दोसांझ के घर में ऐसे होएगा. So I think the similar stage we give to abroad. Yeah, especially like with like I think regulations easing a little bit, that's why people are very excited कि बाहर कुछ better है. I just feel like wherever, it's not कि कहाँ पे better है, better can be anywhere, it's how you make the situation better for yourself. So I feel like you need to analyze both, like I said, both sides of the coin. Like you need to see कि यहाँ पर how are you going to doing, what are you doing, and what are you making out of your situation. और कि बाहर जाके a lot of people like just go out कि ਪਹਿਲਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਵੀਜ਼ਾ ਲੈਣਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਫਿਰ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਔਖਾ ਹੈ like it's too difficult. You just land in an alien country, ਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਜਾਣਦਾ ਹੈ, you don't know anybody and you don't know what to do. ਫਿਰ ਇੱਧਰ ਉੱਧਰ, even if there are people like Canada, I feel like it's comforting because at least there are people who speak the language. You can speak to them and you can be like कि ਭਾਜੀ ਕੀ ਕਰੀਏ ਆਪਾਂ ਆ ਤੇ ਗਏ ਹੁਣ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ. Like and so many people like we spoke to even on our holiday, like it was just like for me it was heartbreaking when somebody is saying that I've come here, I came here 5 years ago and now I don't know what to do because my visa is expiring and I have to leave the country, like, and I don't have an option. Like that is sad at a human level. Like that should not be the case.
True.
You know, if you want to like I'm saying that obviously you're bound by visa regulations, etc., but I feel like you need to know your cards before playing them.
थोड़ी planning चाहिए.
Yeah, थोड़ी planning चाहिए. Like we know so many people who've migrated abroad and are doing so well, better than here.
100%.
And good for them. Like I'm really happy for them. But I feel like if you have that opportunity there, do it. But just don't put a blindfold and just walk into an alien country and not know what to do, because here you can still like कोई दोस्त निकल आएगा, कोई कुछ निकल आएगा, उत्थे जाके मतलब you don't know anybody and what are you going to do? Like, you know, you'll feel helpless, you'll feel depressed, you'll not know who to talk to. So I feel like that is very important.
Pretty cool. I think in that ways Canada is kind of, like you said, comforting because उत्थे बंदे अपने बहुत ने. You know, there's always somebody you know इधर उधरों who will help you out, right? And like you said, like there are people over there doing amazing work, right? In terms of like
the biggest example is your mom.
Yeah,
like doing great work.
Yeah. And she has a routine, she has a system, right?
Yeah.
I agree 100%. So always have a plan. If
always
you
have a
just
plan.
Don't have a plan. So मैं जे बाहर जाना सी ना तो फिर I would have been one of those people who didn't have a plan. मैं भी उत्थे जाके फिर I don't know like how life would have been if
because like things are so expensive out, like चलो इतने भी expensive है, but like यहाँ पे क्या मतलब you can still survive. I think in 500 rupees you can survive. There in $1 can like $2-3 or $10 you can't survive. What will you like? Something basic you eat is only like what, $5? Yeah, you know, like $5 is minimum. I'm saying कि मतलब to survive is very hard. So just imagine if you don't have the living expenses plus ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, how are you going to fill your stomach? Forget about doing well and earning money. Like basically खाने पीने, like living is expensive, eating is expensive, and those are the two basic necessities that one needs, right? So I feel like even like यहाँ से अगर दिल्ली भी मूव करना हो, अगर आपकी पॉकेट ही नहीं अलाउ करती तो आप कैसे मूव करोगे?
Exactly. I mean, Delhi, Bombay, like any metropolitan are very expensive. It's like actually living abroad. But when you go abroad, the standard of living is way beyond what, you know, in a general way. But also cost of living भी उतनी ज़्यादा, खाना महंगा है. You're right. So plan. Have a plan. Always have a plan. Nice. And we're also seeing a lot of, like, we know people who've actually shifted back to India. Yeah,
recently met somebody.
Right?
Yeah.
So what he said, I think he's a friend of ours who had, the whole family had migrated recently. Yeah. They have a kid, he's married. And then he was like, mera ji nahi lag gaya. So sari family leke वापस आ गया. But he also said that इत्थे साडा काम बहुत वधिया. So that makes sense. I mean, if he has a good working space, a working environment, and he's making good money, then obviously like life is easier here. But for a person who doesn't really have anything here, you know, that is why probably people think यार उत्थे एक बारी पहुंच जाइए ते things will be better फिर घरे पैसे पे सकदे usually that is what happens
Yeah.
like people go there by hook or by crook
Correct.
and go there and be like okay ਹੁਣ ਪੈਸੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਵਾਪਸ ਭੇਜ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ it's like ਉੱਥੇ I think a good part about these foreign countries is that if you work an X amount of hours you will get an X amount of matlab salary or whatever it's not like ਇੱਥੇ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ there's no like per hour wage
Correct, but also here you with like workforce will never be less. You know, like you will find work somehow or the other. Like hun utthe recession time se people are getting laid off because jobs are less. And plus with all the AI integration and like artificial systems, workforces decrease and more like technology is being used, which I'm not saying is a bad thing, but I'm saying that of course like people who have gone for are a certain skilled people फिर वो मतलब क्या करेंगे you know. And I feel like the biggest difference that we saw was our check-in in again sorry don't want to sound privileged but like our check-in in JFK versus check-in into our flight in Delhi. Kyunki there are so many people that are working in India like of course there must be the need for people ki chahiye धड़ाधड़ हो रहा है वहाँ पे कोई भी नहीं है so you don't know where you're going like so many people that have never traveled before they are traveling and they're feeling confused like people like us are getting confused to follow simple directions because there is no like person you can ask there are no like arrows nothing
it's
just empty airport you know so I feel like I mean that's what I mean here like at least it's nice that people are working there are too many people that are working
True.
or like they are like forcefully getting work like even when you go to the railway station like the coolie will be like नहीं मैं उठाऊंगा आपका सामान कोई बात नहीं इतने सारे दिन you know what I mean like people here are very like they know how to sell themselves there I think people are a little more polite so they'll be like no let's not like get on top of people they'll be rude.
Agreed. I think it's also in terms of like how you've grown up if you've grown up in a foreign country say Europe where there is no like abundance of workforce you get used to not being kind of directed by people so sanu aadat hai ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ like ਹਰ ਮੋੜ ਤੇ like even if you go to any airport even Amritsar airport or
even when you go to stores
like there
any
are always
stores
like
you go
people
to
coming to you and like asking you like you know like
buy something
which can get a little overwhelming
it can get a little
but I mean agreed so
you smiled so I'm guessing
who smiled?
Nitish smiled. I just remembered like यहाँ पे if you go to any store in Jalandhar ना यहाँ पे सब होते हैं मैम क्या चाहिए आपको क्यों चाहिए अच्छा कौन सा साइज है आपको but you can't even just look like that is very stressful for me so I don't go.
Stressful for you but then I think that is what they consider being like
I think that's what converts a person like my mother to buy something and that's what makes a person like me to run away from that
but I think there are scenario. More people like your mother so technically it works out for them and very less people like you who don't like to be kind of because you know what you want and like what your size is it's for somebody who mere erga jin pata hi kuch nahi probably will appreciate somebody coming and standing on your head
probably
but interesting very interesting. Paji, would you ever move to Canada?
Why?
Reason?
I just love my country.
Paji's I love my country person. Okay, nice. Even if you get a very amazing opportunity.
I can see.
So you're open to the idea of.
I am open to the idea, but right now I don't have any assets plan.
Okay.
If I have any opportunity, then I can think of.
You can think of. You can move, shift.
My brother is there.
Your brother is there. Where is he?
Younger brother is there. He lives in Innisfil.
Okay, where is that?
It's near Richmond Hill. Have you heard?
सुना था
Barrie, Ontario.
हाँ जी Barrie ਦੇ ਨੇੜੇ
अच्छा Barrie के पास है
nice ये सारे सुने नाम
He works in Richmond Hill and he lives in Innisfil.
I was just saying I've heard this but
Innisfil is like 1 hour drive from
Toronto.
No, Toronto 3 घंटे का रास्ता 2 घंटे का रास्ता
okay
nice but we went to Toronto and Brampton specifically where my mother lives and I think it was we felt like ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ 'ਚ ਹੀ ਹਾਂ literally, like people around us, it was literally like Punjabis, and we met a lot of people there, like in malls and stuff, and like
Actually, like randomly people came to us.
yeah, and like I think they're very nice, like people over there are very nice, like I think hard working obviously, because ਉੱਥੇ ਕੰਮ ਤੋਂ ਬਗੈਰ, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ I remember like when we are at home, so mom goes obviously to work in the morning, and like it's me and Veera, and I've also been there where alone when Veera was not there, and if you're not working there ਇੱਕ ਦੋ ਦਿਨ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਜ਼ਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁੱਤੇ ਸਾਤੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਤੀਜੇ ਚੌਥੇ ਦਿਨ ਬੰਦਾ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਯਾਰ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਾਂ, ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਦੇयर इज ਨੋਬਡੀ ਅਰਾਊਂਡ, ਘਰ ਸਾਰੇ ਖਾਲੀ, ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਗਈਆਂ, ਐਵਰੀਬਡੀ ਇਜ਼ ਐਟ ਵਰਕ, ਯੂ ਕਾਂਟ ਨਾਟ ਵਰਕ ਦੇयर, ਰਾਈਟ, ਇਟਸ ਖਾਲੀ, ਇਟਸ ਲਾਈਕ ਸੁਨਸਾਨ, ਇਟਸ ਸਕੈਰੀ, ਇੱਥੇ ਤਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਇੱਥੇ ਤੁਰਿਆ ਫਿਰਿਆ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ, ਬਟ ਐਵਰੀਬਡੀ ਇਜ਼ ਲਾਈਕ ਵੈਰੀ ਲਾਈਕ,
आई थिंक इतने ऑल्सो लाइक वर्क में 5 पूरे दिन में like anybody walks in without any appointments or whatever, which is great. Like I'm very happy that people walk in at work and like hi, like what's happening there, like there's a proper
अपॉइंटमेंट लेके आए तेरे पास है,
हाँ
ठीक है यार,
नहीं मुझे अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं चाहिए, मैं वैसे बोल रही हूँ वहाँ पे यू कांट रियली गो टू एनीबडीज प्लेस
True,
विदाउट
true, true.
कमिटिंग टू
place of
you
work
know,
also or
which
otherwise.
which I feel like is a little like, what if I'm feeling bad in that moment and I want to see my friend? Like I imagine I have to call them up and be like, hey, are you free? I just want to go and be like, this is what has happened and I just want somebody to talk to me. I feel like that is something, that is that feeling that I got when I was obviously in college, and that's when I was just like, I mean, like and not that I didn't try to get a job and all that, but it's just that I was just like, no, I miss home. Yeah.
Interesting.
Even though when I'm at home, I don't talk to anybody.
Exactly, that's what I was thinking. मैं कहा यार अच्छा.
But I just like I just like people to exist near me. Yeah.
Great. I think what I would like to understand and tell people is that they say अब जैसे COVID was the latest pandemic. Sorry. The next pandemic they say is
Dry
going to
throat.
be next pandemic they say is going to be a loneliness pandemic, because people don't have people to talk
It's
to.
already happening.
It's already happening.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not happening in, it is happening in India, but not at that level. बाहर बहुत ज़्यादा है. So what I'm trying to say is like, make communities, make friends, make groups where you go for group activities. That is why I like fitness so much, because there is a purpose where people get together to do something that everybody likes. Even if you form a walk club, a run club, a gym club, I don't know, पत्ते खेलो इकट्ठे होके, but make sure, especially if you're in a foreign land, find people like you, and make sure you meet them every week or every 2 weeks, because before you know it, you will be in a position where you'll just be working, you'll probably have a lot of money, and you'll have no friends, and the friends will be in India, and you'll call them and timings won't match, and you'll feel bad. And even in people in metropolitans, even people in like tier 2, tier 3 cities, what's happening is social media is really kind of taking things over, and we spend more time on our phone than having a conversation with a friend or family. So I think this is the time where we need to kind of form communities, regardless of whether what you're doing, where you are in the world. Have conversations where there is no technology, go to treks, hikes, swim, I don't know, do whatever, find common ground, and I think really drive that feeling of community, get together. Very, very important. That's something that I feel is really kind of the need of the hour. Yeah.
Yet you don't want to go for dinners.
Like I said, has to be a common goal, right? It's like
Got you.
it's like a common goal. Like, no, I like dinners. What kind of dinner are we talking about?
Just general.
General dinner. We are going on a date tonight, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so date night tonight. But yeah, the common goal. Like
Common
I said,
goal, yeah.
I can't, if I love driving and you hate road trips, I'm not going to drag you to के यार नहीं तू मेरे साथ 5 दिन के
No,
road
I
trip
was
पे चल.
just joking. You don't have to take it literally. But
And says the person who loves dinners and loves going out on Saturdays and tick, 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 tick.
love it.
right?
Live
Again,
for it.
if that is something that makes you happy, do it. But yeah, get together, form communities, groups, and yeah, have fun. What else? I think ਹਾਂਜੀ ਤੱਤ ਇਹ ਕੱਢਿਆ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਜਿੱਥੋਂ ਵੀ ਆਏ ਹੋ, ਮੇਕ ਸ਼ੋਰ ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਅ ਪਲਾਨ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ। ਜੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਵੀ ਚੱਲੇ ਹੋ, ਬਾਹਰੋਂ ਵਾਪਸ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਜੇ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਡੈਫੀਨੇਟਲੀ ਡੂ ਨਾਟ ਫਰਗੈਟ what you're leaving, don't forget your roots, okay? Definitely try to kind of do something for people around where you were from, like, you know, especially pinda punda jo loki jande hai, they get very successful. Definitely do something for your pind, in terms of not sirf, maybe I think I want to touch on the fact that education, like education is lacking right now, and I think Punjab's youth need a lot of direction right now, because any youth in fact, but especially Punjab da, because exposure unna ki hai. I think I was listening to a podcast by Ajay Pal, Garewal Farms. So he was like, beautifully said, he's like, ਇੱਕ ਪਿੰਡ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਬੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨੇ ਉਸ ਨਿਆਣੇ ਨੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਦਾ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਅਮੀਰ ਬੰਦਾ ਦੇਖਿਆ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਕਿ ਆ 4 ਗੱਡੀਆਂ, ਸੋ ਉਹਦੀ ਸੋਚ ਉੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੀ ਵੀ ਪੈਲੀ ਹੋਊਗੀ, ਕੁਛ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਕਰਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ
ਉਹ ਪਿੰਡ 'ਚ,
ਉਹਨੇ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ 100 ਕਰੋੜ ਦੀ ਜਾਂ 1000 ਕਰੋੜ ਦੀ ਜਾਂ 10,000 ਕਰੋੜ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਕੰਪਨੀਆਂ ਚੱਲਦੀਆਂ ਪਈਆਂ, ਹੈ ਨਾ। ਸੋਚ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਅਤੇ ਉਹ ਸੋਚ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਸੋਸ਼ਲ ਮੀਡੀਆ ਯੈਸ ਹੈਜ਼ ਅ ਬਿਗ ਰੋਲ ਇਨ ਟੂ ਟੈਲਿੰਗ ਪੀਪਲ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਿ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਵੱਸਦੀ ਹੈ, ਬਟ I think education is something, and education, I think not ਸਕੂਲੀ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ, ਬਟ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਟੂ I think ਟੈਕਨੋਲੋਜੀ। ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਪਿੰਡਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਿਆਣਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ AI ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੇ ਕੀ ਫਾਇਦੇ ਹੈ, ਕੀ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਨੇ, ਬਲੌਕਚੇਨ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਕੋਡਿੰਗ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਫਿਊਚਰ ਇਹੀ ਹੈ, ਐਵਰੀਥਿੰਗ ਇਜ਼ ਡਿਜੀਟਲਾਈਜ਼ਡ। ਸੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ 10ਵੀਂ ਕਰ ਵੀ ਲਈ, ਬਟ ਉਹਦਾ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਕੁ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਇਨ ਰੀਅਲ ਲਾਈਫ, ਵੀ ਡੋਂਟ ਨੋ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। Schools obviously as institutions have their own set of things that they help people do, but then these things maybe set up some kind of an infrastructure.
I feel like technology needs to be used in a better way. So right now technology is there in like pinda punda chich technology is there, but it's been used to just make reels, which is basically yesterday only I was saying, like, so yesterday I did a very cool thing, which is something that I never thought I'll do, which is that I limited my Instagram, because I feel like every time I feel stressed, I pick up my phone and I open Instagram just to probably get a dopamine release to feel better. And once I feel okay, I just put it down and I do nothing on it. I just go see a few stories and then I put it back, because I know I can't be on Instagram for too long. So my brain has devised this weird method. Sorry, I'm completely going off topic, but yeah, so that constant urge to, like, every time I feel, I recently realized that every time I'm stressed, and of course on the holiday I wasn't stressed, so I didn't pick up my phone. You barely saw me use my phone. Like, I was just like taking a little bit of videos and then putting it in my wallet, right? So I realized that if I'm functioning fine without it, vlog bhi ban raha hai, matlab koi problem nahi aa rahi, everything is fine, and I'm also not really wasting time, or you're not getting like you're on your phone, you're not listening to me, or you know, I have a tendency to not be able to multitask. So phone was in the pocket, which I was very happy about. Here, as soon as I came back, and I was just like, acha nahi, now I'm picking my phone up. So every time I feel stressed, I resort to that phone, I look at it, and then I put it back. And this happens probably agar 1 घंटे में मेरे को 4-5 बारी I'm feeling stressed, so 4-5 बारी I'll probably take my phone off. So yesterday I made you put a limit on my Instagram, because I consciously feel that not even like socially or losing out, but I feel like mentally you're losing out a lot of energy on like
random stuff
that is not worth your time, and it's just impacting you in a way which is not worth it. So which is basically that, like, of course Instagram wants you to be on Instagram, and that's why the content everybody's putting out is so interesting. I mean, you know, but like, you need to use it like you need to limit your usage, because it's going to
Yeah,
make you like, you'll be so stuck in that loop, because every time somebody's trying to have a conversation, or like they're talking sense to you, you'll want to resort to your phone. And that is not nice. You're losing out on a lot of information and a lot of education that you can learn through somebody's experience, or somebody's talking, or something that you're even watching on TV, because you're using your phone. So yeah, so that's a conscious effort that I made. Having said this, why I made this, because I saw like a lot of people now have smartphones, and in Punjab everybody has an iPhone. Like for some reasons, everybody has an iPhone.
Everywhere.
Everywhere,
a lot of people.
a lot of people have an iPhone.
If they don't have an iPhone, they want an iPhone. Like, it's a
They
very-
aspire to have an iPhone, and there's nothing wrong with it. But I'm saying that, and that iPhone is, of course, because everybody knows that iPhone makes great videos.
True.
And where do those videos go? And this is my logic, but I will put it out there. And those videos are used to put things up on Instagram or TikTok. We don't have TikTok, thank God, another form of social media. But yeah, you put it out there because, of course, you want to be a somebody. And again, you can be a somebody, but you need to know and not just put content out there which is meaningless. So I have been seeing a lot of kids putting out a lot of content out there, and they should not be putting out like 5 reels. These are kids who are in school in grade 9, and in grade 9, like I was doing, I feel like, much more and much better things than making reels on Instagram or dancing to whatever. I was probably going to a dance class. Again, not putting anybody down. This is just my opinion that either learn something, read a book, go play, meet a friend, but like don't spend that time making a reel. I feel like that is just not nice. And I've seen that lately with a lot of our staff. Their kids are on Instagram, and it really was like worrying me. And so I was just like, no, like I don't want to be in a loop. And I also saw my mom use a lot of her phone, which also really alarmed me, that social media is really taking over, and it needs to be used, but under a certain time limit. So again, adding to what you said was how people are using technology. There is technology, there is internet. Every village in India has internet, maybe not electricity, but has somewhere इंटरनेट तो पहुंच रहा है और फ़ोन सबके पास है. तो वो तो ज़रूरत इसकी है कि वो इंटरनेट का इस्तेमाल यूज़ किया जाए जैसे पहले किया जाता था फॉर एजुकेशन, टू learn something. When you used to search, use a search engine to search something and learn something because you wanted to know more. Now we're just using to just entertain ourselves, and
Time
I feel
pass.
like, yeah, that is scary. So
Interesting.
yeah. ज़्यादा डीप हो गया.
ज़्यादा डीप हो गया पर कोई बात नहीं. आई थिंक या सो इफ़ यू आर पुटिंग आउट कंटेंट, आई गेस मेक श्योर इट इज़ प्रोवाइडिंग वैल्यू
Yeah.
टू समबडी.
And don't just keep following trends on Instagram, like especially to like young kids. I feel like it's scary. Like you should be studying something or learning something or doing some experiments, like you were making a parachute one time. Something you were making to fly, with Bakshi.
Oh, that was a
Yeah, like your
potato gun.
Yeah, potato gun. Sorry.
We were of a violent character. Just kidding. बड़ी नहीं सड़ता हूँ.
No, but I think your dad was trying to make make something fly.
No, yeah, he was trying to make me fly.
No. Like him, and I've heard stories. Anyways, I feel like
Right, brothers.
yeah, like I
तो
feel
नहीं
like
होगी
when
इतना.
you're growing up and when you're growing up and you have children, like there are such fun stories that our parents have to tell us. What will like people
Okay,
coming and tell us कि हम
They'll say,
reel
हमने ये रील बनाई थी, इसके बड़े लाइक आए. यही
मतलब
होगी story,
ये
हाँ.
तो थोड़ा स्कैरी है ना. तो experiences gather करो rather than losing it on a phone. That is a realization that I've had.
Nice. I think in terms of social media, where I find the most amount of value is YouTube. I think I have learned so much from YouTube, like right from CrossFit days to then um, marketing and sales, which is my current obsession, to like, you know, basically there is so much good information out there. That is something that can actually be,
Yeah.
you know, consumed.
Yeah.
And yeah, the if you have an iPhone, you can go to the settings and go to screen time, and then go to app limits. You can actually limit the time after like a certain time. Let's say if Instagram, you've given yourself a 2 hour limit, which when I put it for her yesterday, she was like, 2 hours? That's like too much. I said, you'll be surprised. And I think till the afternoon, evening-ish.
Not afternoon, but
Till-
at 7 o'clock, I had 5 minutes left.
Yeah.
And then I was also being very restrictive about it कि I'll not use it. But वो 5 मिनट भी उड़ गए
ना.
हाँ तो
But
फिर
then तुम्हें पता चल गया है कि हाँ
हाँ,
2 घंटे हो गए हैं.
हो गए हैं, हाँ,
So
हाँ.
yeah, so I have a similar. It's been a long time for me. I've put that limit on my Instagram. काफ़ी देर से मैं
yeah.
कर रहा हूँ कि उसके बाद फिर वो एक आइडिया हो जाता है कि काफ़ी देर हो गई अब इंस्टाग्राम. या दैट बीइंग सेड, ये सारे अगेंस्ट थे इंस्टाग्राम में. मुझे फॉर भी बोलना पड़ेगा बिकॉज राइट नाउ आई एम अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड आई पुट अ रील एवरी डे. So what I think, Instagram also has a lot of value in terms
I
of,
mean, we literally, I think Instagram is amazing.
yeah. So
We
like,
met so many people in Canada
yeah. So
through Instagram.
you can provide value through Instagram. Full stop. Okay. You can't really control how people use it, but then in 10 nonsense secular, for a lack of a, पता नहीं English मेरी यहाँ खत्म होगी, if you can provide one reel of value like something that, like, we are into fitness, so if I can tell somebody that do this movement like this and it will give you more benefit, it'll probably not it'll make sure you don't get injured. So I think that small message can be given through Instagram, and I think that is valuable, right?
I mean, that's
So-
again, it's just like there are too many content creators out there that are giving a lot of valuable insights on Instagram. And like I said, like, I'm a person who watches YouTube once in a while, but does like mostly see a lot of information of like the same people that you follow on Instagram, because it's a little more concise. And I like information concise. I don't like to like get into the details until or unless I'm very, very interested and I'm very, you know. So I use a lot of Instagram, and I won't lie about it. But it's just that what I was trying to say is that yes, of course. So I'm saying that there are content creators that are obviously giving value. What I'm trying to say is that, like, 10-year-old kids should not be making like reels of like. I'm just saying that there is much more to that. Like, that is what I'm trying to say, that okay, do that, but just do one of that and then go play. Like, that's what is important. So I'm saying that balance is very important. That is needed.
Interesting. So
Yeah.
so you're saying that Instagram should have like an age barrier?
I'm not
like-
even saying that it has an age barrier. You have to
does?
be, I think you have to be 18.
Oh, but then how?
But kids are kids. Like, they can
figure
use their
out.
parents' accounts or whatever.
If I'm not wrong,
13.
13.
Okay,
13.
13.
Oh,
Sorry,
so-
it used to be 18. Now it's 13. My bad. Yeah. So,
Interesting.
yeah.
Wonderful. So great. So we've talked about how and why people go abroad, and like why we are here, and then how we think, or how, like, you know, how social media should be used, how it's being used, and how it should be used. So I think that's pretty much what we need to talk about today.
Yeah.
But question for you is, like, how do you use social media? Like, do you use it as a vent out where you're feeling stressed and you're like constantly on reels? Because that happens to me still. If I open Instagram and start looking at reels, half an hour minimum gone. Like, until I realize, oh, the last half hour I don't even remember what I saw. Is it, or do you consciously use social media, like go to YouTube and you'll search, like, you know, how to make an Excel sheet? Like, what kind of a person are you? Tell us in the comments. We would love to know. But yeah, hope you had fun in today's conversation, and wherever you are, wherever you're watching from, I'm going to say this again: form a community, form a group, get together, put your phones on the side and have fun.
Also, Peak app launched.
Also, Peak app is launched. Today is the 9th of July,
Huh.
2024.
Yeah.
It's being tested. We are facing a lot of glitches back end, but hopefully it will get better. We are talking with the development team, and the idea over here is to provide you with an app that basically takes care of everything related to fitness. So good workouts that are not boring. कि जी रोज़ मंडे को चेस्ट है, हाँ मंडे को चेस्ट है, मंडे को चेस्ट है, बोलते बोलते थक गया मैं. हाँ मंडे को चेस्ट है, बट लाइक different movements can be used to hit chest in different ways, so has to be interesting. Number 2, it will take care of your nutrition, personalized nutrition given to you, and it will dynamically change with your changing weight. And then number 3, what we would like to incorporate eventually is the mental aspect of fitness, where breathing exercises and like concentration exercises, basically your go-to app when it comes to fitness. That is our mission. And hopefully the next podcast we are on, we will actually announce ke hey, go download it. Right now, even if you download it, you won't see much because again it's
No, right now
being
not.
tested.
It's launched, but it's not ready to be.
Soft launch, maybe?
Soft launch.
We have people on it doing workouts,
But it's not. It's not open to.
Yeah, we're at like 60%. Need
Yeah.
to get to 100% before we actually deliver a product that makes sense to you and gives you value.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is me, Sid, signing off. Thank you very much for watching this episode. Really means a lot.
Thank you. This is Veera signing off.
Dhanyawad, shukriya. Take care, guys.